We have Decentraland, symbol MANA, versus the dollar, and I want to follow up on this one yet again. Not giving any deep retracements, not giving any major pullbacks right here. We did say yesterday that this one I'm just going to be generally bullish on it as long as you're above, especially $2. That'd be my validation for long-term bullishness on this. And right now in the short-term time frame, it's actually looking like it's going to give one more try to the upside at minimum. Probably in this case to new highs before any sort of a more prolonged consolidation. Anyways, let's go hit it on this chart over here, where we might be. All right, where are we at? 4 hour, just flagging out, looking for another move to the upside. This is good. I have no reason to even be looking for short-term downside as long as you're above about 260. Below 260, even on a 4 hour closure, I would be looking for this one to fall apart down to about 190. But even that's not like a super concerning move. I mean, the 5-day closed massively on new highs on volume. Volatility is also maxed out right there as well. But I expect that this one's just going to continue on for another drive here. This is good. This is really, really good. Should even have some hidden bullish evidence coming in from this low over here. This kind of like complex low in this low right here. It's actually very, very good right now. So where would be the next sort of relevant regions towards the upside? Let's check that. Let's check that. All right. Well, do something like this for the macro. Okay, currently, yeah, hey, look at that, man. Actually working really, really well. I expect that if I actually do it towards the actual wick highs, there we go. What do you know? The 1.618 getting the current closing prices, so that is really, really good. I would not feel comfortable calling it a continuation move towards $5.50 if you do break the current highs on a 4 hour. But if you start to close dailies on new, if you start to close dailies above about $4, then yeah, I suppose I would be looking towards 5.5 long term. Again, I don't really see macro tops being put in at that region very rarely, if ever. Probably looking more around here, like very long term, months down the road. It looks really, really good. So short term, can I come up with some more relevant targets for short term if you do break your current highs? Yeah, I do think so. I mean, I bet if we go to an hourly, yeah, some sort of an ascending triangle right here. So fair enough. Do something like this. Just yeah, would be another run somewhere around about $4.80 to $5, and I want to see if the daily closes there. If you do, then yeah, I suppose I'd be looking for a continuation to 5.5 or so. Just curious if this is showing any sort of a different look over here. And again, remember the invalidation points on this. How the hell is an exchange called Bing Bong? Like that is Bing Bong. That is first off offensive to Asian cultures, and second off, who's putting their fucking money on Bing Bong? You like it. Weekly Stokes are literally freshly crossing up above 262. Wow. That is that's a hell of a chart. Daily is also just kind of chugging its way along above 330. Actually, that's a little bit higher than where we're at right now. Yeah, I'd feel comfortable saying above about 330 on a daily, or a 4 hour above about 363. I'd be looking for the next continuation. Until then, bit of a short-term range if you're just looking at the 4 hour, something like this. 260 low versus 360. It's $1 range on a $3 number. That is insane. Only in crypto, baby. Only in crypto. Hopefully that's helpful, and there you go.